In this video, we're going to talk about formal and informal education and which is better for an artist or what path is more beneficial. And it really depends on you and what you're searching for. But there are a few different ways to think about it. So I hope this video helps you understand what style or what type of education would be more beneficial to you. This video will explore how to cultivate a mindset of lifelong learning and the avenues through which you can continuously evolve. In the dense, vibrant rainforest of art, change and growth are the only constants. The successful artist is like a vine climbing towards the canopy, continually seeking the light, twisting and turning, adapting to find its path. The ever-evolving artist is one who understands that their art, like the rainforest, is a living, breathing entity. It's not static but dynamic, ever-changing with the seasons, growing with the rain, and flourishing in the sun. The artist knows that to stagnate is to wither. To cease moving forward is to fall back. To cultivate this mindset, you must, like the rainforest, embrace change. See each new day, each project, each piece as an opportunity to grow, to stretch towards the sky. Be like the explorer, always curious, always eager to see what lies beyond the next turn in the trail. Embrace new techniques, new ideas, new influences. Let them nourish your art like the rich soil of the forest floor. Be adaptable. The rainforest is in a constant state of flux, and so too should be your art. Learn from the setbacks, the dry seasons, and the storms. Let them shape you, guide you, push you in new directions. Like the trees that bend in the wind but do not break, let flexibility be your strength. And remember, the journey of the ever-evolving artist is not a solitary one. Just as the rainforest is an ecosystem, a community of interconnected lives, so too is the art world. Learn from your fellow artists, your mentors, your critics. Let their knowledge, their perspectives, their critiques feed into your growth. Cultivating the mindset of the ever-evolving artist is about more than just improving your skill or expanding your portfolio. It's about adopting a way of life, a way of being. It's about understanding that art, like the rainforest, is a complex, ever-changing entity, and that to be part of it, you too must be willing to change, to grow, to evolve. The constant, never-ending process of becoming. Let your art be as alive, as dynamic as the rainforest. And as you grow, as you evolve, you'll find that it's not just your art that's transforming, but you yourself, becoming something richer, deeper, more connected to the wild, living heart of creativity. Formal education, workshops, self-guided study, each is a different path through the underbrush, leading to new discoveries, new understandings. Formal education is like the river that cuts through the forest, structured, directed, a path laid out by those who've navigated the currents before. It offers a guided tour through the complexities of art, a structured journey with clear milestones and signposts. For some, this defined path provides the clarity, the discipline they need to move forward. Then there's workshops. Workshops are like the clearings in the forest, places to pause and learn in the company of fellow travelers. They offer a chance to focus on specific skills, to learn from masters of the craft, to share your experiences and learn from those of others. They're a place to gather tools and techniques, to drink from the well of collective knowledge before plunging back into your own journey. Then self-guided study is the solitary trek, the path you carve for yourself. It's wandering where your curiosity leads, following the call of the unknown. It's a journey of self-discovery as much as it is of learning, a way to learn not just from books and videos, but from the work itself. This path requires discipline, the internal compass to stay the course through the densest part of the forest. As you consider these educational paths, think about what you seek from your journey, the skills you wish to acquire, the knowledge you desire to gain. Are you looking for the structure of a river's course, the focused learning of a clearing, or the freedom of the solitary trail? Remember, what works for one traveler may not suit another. The key is to understand yourself, your learning style, your creative needs, and with this understanding, choose the path that will lead you not just to greater knowledge, but to deeper understanding, to broader skills, and to a more profound connection with your art. So step forward, whether onto the structured path of formal education, into the communal space of workshops, or onto the solitary trail of self-guided study. Each step is a step towards growth, toward becoming not just a more knowledgeable artist, but a more complete, more evolved creator.